Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now, here's Ethan with our best pledge.
To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my emotions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach hard to be my best at Orchard Hollow.
Happy birthday today to Ava Minke. We hope you have a great day, Ava. We'd like to say welcome back to all of our Mentor Schools online students who are coming back to face-to-face learning for second semester. We're so happy you're back in the building with us. And now for our joke of the day. Why don't mountains get cold in the winter? They wear snow caps. This week, on Monday, we celebrated one of our nation's greatest heroes, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was a civil rights leader who never backed down in his stand against racism. He was a courageous hero who helped to inspire the civil rights movement. He's best known for his mission of equality for all people, his nonviolent protests, and his inspiring speeches. His most famous speech is his I Have a Dream speech, which he gave on the steps of the Lincoln Memorial. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Day is celebrated on the third Monday every January in honor of a man whose dream of peace and equality helped change our nation. Today is Inauguration Day. Mr. Joe Biden will be sworn in as the 46th President of the United States. And U.S. Senator Kamala Harris will make history when she is sworn in as the first female Vice President of the United States. The first 100 days of a new president's term are especially important. People start to learn what kind of leader he or she will be. They watch to see which issues and projects get priority. I wonder, if you were elected president, what would you do in your first 100 days of office? Stop by our office and let me know. A reminder, Huskies, now that we are back in our hybrid schedule and in the building, we want you to remember our protocols for staying healthy and safe in the building. Remember when you're moving from place to place to use social distancing in the hallway and to wash your hands frequently throughout the day. Today, we are on our shortened schedule for our remote Wednesday. Our day will begin promptly at 8:45 with morning meeting, and our instructional day will end at 11:45.
Lunch to go to.
Make it a great day, Huskies.
We challenge Miss Liebenauer's class.
Problem one.
Make it a great day, Huskies. We can't wait to see Miss Liebenauer's class.